In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails to your email lists in GetResponse. Let's dive right into it. To start, you'll want to access your GetResponse dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll find all the tools and options you need for managing your email campaigns. Once you're there, look for the Tools menu. It's like your gateway to all the major functions GetResponse has to offer. Clicking on Tools will open up a variety of features. For today, we'll focus on email marketing. Click on that to proceed. Next, you'll need to create a newsletter. Look for the Create Newsletter option and give it a click. This is where you'll begin drafting the email you intend to send to your list. You'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to create your newsletter. While there are a couple of options, let's focus on By Myself. This option allows you the flexibility to customize as per your requirements, providing a blank canvas for your creativity. After selecting By Myself, it's time to give your newsletter a name. This is crucial for your organization, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns. Think of a name that makes it easy to identify what the newsletter is about. At this point, a quick check is in order. Make sure you've correctly set up and verified your sending email address. This ensures your communications are seen as legitimate and helps avoid them landing in spam folders. Next, focus on crafting a compelling subject line. The subject is the first thing your recipients will notice, so it should be engaging enough to make them want to open the email. Once your subject is set, it's time to add recipients. Click on Add Recipients and choose the email list you want to target. This step is vital as it determines who receives your newsletter. Make sure you select the correct list to match your intended audience. To proceed, click Add to confirm your recipient list. After that, if you have any files to share, you can click on Attach File and then Add Files to include them in your newsletter. If you're not adding a design message right now, you can cancel out of that part and close it for simplicity. Now, let's move on to designing your message. Click on Design Message to access the various template options you have at your disposal. Templates can streamline your process and ensure that your email looks professional. Choose Use Template to start crafting your message. Click on the template that suits your needs best and edit it to fit your brand and message strategy. Once you're happy with the design and content of your newsletter, click on Next to proceed. You're almost ready to send your message. Here you have the option to schedule for later, which can be handy if you're timing your communication for a specific event or time zone. Or if you're ready to go, click on Send Immediately to have your message distributed right away. Finally, click on Send Message, and there you have it. Your bulk email is on its way to your selected audience through GetResponse. That concludes our guide on sending bulk emails. Happy emailing.